If you know what the Korean women look like, their face are always spotless. This is what they use. I have it right here. I processed it myself. This is what the Korean women use to achieve their glass skin face. Hi besties, welcome to my channel. My name is Maria Oga. Are you that man or woman that desired glass skin face but dark spots, pimples, acne is not allowing you to enjoy the kind of face you desire? You need to worry no more. Today I'm going to show you what the Korean women use to achieve their glass skin face, and I have it right here. So I would like you to stay with me to the end of this video so that I'll show you what exactly to use and the step-by-step process you will need to do it. Come with me. So this is our major ingredients: rice. You can use any type of rice. Rice contains special enzymes which help brighten the skin, even tone the skin, and reduce pigmentation. It also has huge anti-aging properties which makes it excellent for women like us that are over 40. It will help to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. So all you need to do is wash the rice until it's clean like this. Then you remove the water and add clean water to it. You can then go ahead and cover it for it to soak. You can leave it for a period of 1 hour so that it will soak properly and easy to blend. At this point, some people prefer to boil it. They boil a bit and then grind or blend. But for me or some other people, optionally rather, you can decide not to boil it. Both ways can work for you. So here we are not boiling it, we just soak for 1 hour and then go ahead to blend it. See what it looks like now, smooth and fine. We'll then go in with 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey hydrates, soothes, and nourishes the skin with its natural antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and moisturizing properties, promoting a healthier, glowing complexion. Also added to the mixture is 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil helps to lock in moisture, promoting a soft, smooth, and healthy appearance of the face. However, if you have oily face, you might decide to skip the coconut oil part. I decided to add coconut oil because I've got very dry face. And so now our rice mask is ready. We'll now go ahead and apply it to the face. These rice masks can be a great addition to your skincare routine. The starch in rice can act as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and promoting smoother, more redefined skin texture. It can also brighten your skin because it contains natural antioxidants and vitamins, especially vitamin B, which can help brighten and even tone your skin. Rice masks also hydrate the skin. It can provide moisture, which helps in keeping the skin hydrated, plump, and soft. More so, it contains anti-aging properties. The antioxidants in rice helps fight radicals, slowing down the aging process and reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Rice masks can also brighten your under eye circles, soothe irritated skin, and reduce dark spots and pigmentation. So after applying it to your face, allow it to sit for at least a period of 30 minutes until it's completely dry. Then you can go ahead and rinse your face with clean water. As you can see me doing in the video, see what my face looks like now. Aren't you noticing a difference? At this point, you can go ahead and moisturize your face with any moisturizer of your choice. If you are new to this channel, that's if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I would like to say a big welcome to you. Or you have been watching my videos and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please just go ahead and subscribe. I bet you would love what I'm doing here. And to my returning subscriber, I appreciate you big time. Thank you for always stopping by. In conclusion, it is safe to say rice masks can greatly improve your skin texture by providing nourishment and enhancing your skin health. Now, what is your thought about this rice mask? Will you be trying it out? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to give us feedback when you eventually give it a trial. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.